Hello, humans. Welcome. Good morning. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. We got crazy equities. So, guys, I'm going to tell you what equity to buy today. But when I tell you guys to buy this thing, when I tell you guys to buy equities, I tell you to buy it, make like 1% and sell. Okay, I want to make that abundantly clear. Because I realize, like, the things I tell you to go, that will go up, but they go down right after. So I want to make sure you guys know when to sell. That's the way we do it here. When we're looking at 1 hour, 2 hour time frames, you got to be quick, guys. Okay? Whatever. That doesn't matter. It's Friday. So let's start the video off with what we should be buying today. And this looks attractive. This is a silver chart. It's a 1 hour. Oh no, this is the daily. Sorry, guys. Okay. I'll go on to the 1 hour. This white line is going to be hard because every time silver touches it, or has been touching it, boom, 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 bounce. So you can at least expect, and you can even like broaden it to this range, including these two bounces. Okay, so why do I think it's going to bounce again? And honestly, maybe wait for it to even touch the white line or get closer. But this is bullish divergence. Boom. Huge upward trend on the RSI. And the stock price is relatively down to flat. So love this play. Maybe a bit within the day. Give it a couple hours, 3, 4, 5 hours, and then see. But yeah, silver's looking great. Let's look at stocks though. So this is the 1 hour chart for the NASDAQ. I drew out this channel a while back, and now we're at the bottom. Is it going to break down or fake like it did at the top of this channel? Right? So we're going to see. But let's take a look at it on the daily. So guys, things are happening with these indexes. It looks like this rally could be over. Now, I'm not saying it is. So, all you perma bulls out there, don't get you in a hissy fit, alright? God, okay, let's see. Let's look at the MACD, okay? Let's just use some objective indicators here. Okay. It's rolling. That's all I'm saying. But what about the MACD on the Dow? It's just turned red. And the Dow has definitely been the weakest in this rally because it's more of a risk-on rally compared to the previous rally, which was more of a risk-off rally. And the Dow definitely made the most off that one. But this red line is crazy resistance for the Dow. It does not want to break it. So, not worried about that. But we got a red MACD now. And that white line is the 30-day moving average. The NASDAQ is a lot further away from the 30-day moving average. But that is a big indicator. Is it above or below it? It shows what trend we're in. SPY 30-day moving indicator or average is right here. But look, the MACD is close to going red as well. So, what am I getting at? Today is going to be huge. Are we going to see more selling off or are we going to see more buying? And if we do see buying, is it going to be yesterday where it gets sold off right away or is it going to hold? Three big questions, guys. Keep them in mind. Also, regarding stocks, look at this shit. We're going to look at Tesla. I told you guys, yes, there's bearish divergence, but wait. Because this shit moves like crazy, and it does. And it kept going up. And now the bearish divergence is even stronger. And it's at the 50% retracement from this high to this low. Okay? That's a big level, and it's actually what it failed at. So, let's take a look at Tesla's MACD. Let's use this as this is the 1 hour chart, but we'll look at it. Boom, just rolled over. But let's look at the daily. Let's see how far away the crossing over is. Yeah, so it's not even close to rolling over. Do what you want with Tesla. It's getting closer and closer to looking like a good stock to short, and it's up to you whether you want to or not. Okay. Relative strength of the dollar. We've been keeping an eye on this one. When this goes up, stocks, and more so than stocks, risk off like gold and silver and risk on like Bitcoin, really alternatives to the dollar, go down when this goes up and go up when this goes down. Even foreign currencies. Actually, that's mainly what it tracks. But like we also use it as an indicator for where stocks are going. Anyways, so it failed at this trend line. It's probably going to retest it again, which furtherly indicates how important today can be. Will NASDAQ break the trend line? Will SPY break that MACD? Will Dow Jones consolidate with that MACD? Big things happening today. And if it's not today, it could be Monday, because we'll have 2-day break. We'll have Super Bowl. Also, guys, inverse head and shoulders. You see this? One shoulder, head, two shoulders. And it could just be because of the moon right now. Hopefully that's what we get. Because I want this capitulation to be over with, guys. With the bottom of my heart, to be honest. Oil is up after... I forgot to pull up the news article, but Russia said they're going to lower supply or something. Whatever. Charts are the only thing that matters, guys. Okay? So, let's see this shit. It's back in this supply zone with an overbought RSI. It just completely failed at this white line. I don't even remember why I have this white line drawn out. Oh, I guess for that, it was support here, support here, support here. Yeah, okay, whatever. Point is, I don't really know what trade I'd be doing on oil. Like, kind of just keep an eye on it. If you see some divergences, if you see something that attracts your attention, go for it. But right now, I just thought it was cool that Russia is lowering their oil output to keep oil prices propped up. Another company, another one, and we're not in a recession, guys. I promise we're not in a recession. Yahoo to lay off 20% of their staff, 1/5. If you have a group of 5 workers at Yahoo, one of you are gone, maybe 2. Okay, so I mean, like, I don't know. If you, do you still think we're not in a recession? How many more companies to lay off workers for you to not think we're in a recession? It's coming, guys. This is a wave of hardship and debt destruction and home foreclosures that is coming, and it's an inevitable wave. The only way, there's a macro economy that we all live in, whether you live in Canada or the US or the UK, you live in a macro economy, but that doesn't change the fact that economics is universal, and you have a personal economy as well. Your bank account, your net worth, your investments, your personal balance sheet, okay? And if you own a business, your corporate balance sheet, and you can make sure that that is in check. You have a lot of power over that. You cannot sit here and complain about the macro economy, but you can fix your personal economy. Get silver, get gold, get XRP, get Bitcoin. Learn stuff. Learn what's happening. Learn where big money is going and why small money is getting screwed. Why? How can you make sure that you're on the side that big money is on? Economics and finance work in a certain way where every time somebody loses money, somebody's making money. Be on the winning side. That's all I'm going to tell you guys. Okay, I really hope you listened to that and took it with a lot of consideration. What is this again? Oh, I think this was supposed to be the oil article. I don't know what happened. Whatever. So Putin is lowering oil output. Whatever. That was a good speech I gave you guys to end the video, though. So worry about your personal economy. Take a look at silver today. Give it some time. Maybe it goes a bit lower, and then you make money. Just wait it out. Or if you don't want, just enjoy yourself. Get an early weekend. You made some trades this week. Stop it. It's enough for the week. All right, guys. I love you. Peace. Make some good trades today.